Hello, welcome Virgos. Welcome to a Soul Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, can you check out the other YouTubers, guys? As you are seeing my background, I have changed the setup. Uh, you know, my mom has done this just because I keep on disturbing her sleep. That's why. So she has changed me with a better setup. Okay. So yes, guys. I am here to talk about three important elements today for the reading, that is the desire. What are you desiring for? What is the direction you have to go for? And what is the detail of going through that process? Okay. And but before that, I just want to tell you that if you want to support my channel with the help of donation, the details of the PayPal and Google Pay is given in the description box below. I would be appreciating it. The second most important thing, guys, is that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to support our channel with a 10 days online tarot learning workshop, like how one card resonates with another card, how to read tarot cards, what are the meanings of it, and how to give an accurate reading. So we are giving workshop online through via WhatsApp video call and WhatsApp audio calls. Okay, so you can join our session. And also we are also conducting numerology sessions. Okay, so if you really want to join us, if you want to enroll for the same, you can. Okay. And last but not the least, I just want to tell you that if you want to participate in a Vasoul giveaway, you can definitely, because Vasoul giveaway is all about you have to participate for the month of May, and the winners will be announced in the first week of June. Okay, you have to like my channel, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you have to comment down below hashtag Vasool giveaway. So this is the main process for the same. Okay, so yes, let me shuffle the cards. And also I am doing daily live sessions on my Facebook page. So if you want to join me between 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Indian Standard Time, you can definitely. Okay, so yes, those live sessions will be from Monday to Sunday. Okay, guys. Yes, so let me shuffle the cards properly. Okay, we'll see the desire, the direction, and the detail of it. Okay, let me check it out. I hope this is comfortable for you to see properly. If not, then kindly comment down below, so I'll be able to check it out properly. Okay. What is the desire of Virgos? What is the direction, and what is the detail of Virgos? Let me check it out. Your desire is Four of Swords. Your direction is Seven of Pentacles, and your detail is Eight of Swords. Okay, what is? Let me check it out. What is your desire? You're thinking, contemplating a lot, thinking about what? Resting, meditating. Okay, on something. You are in peace right now for sure. Okay, and but I want to clarify why is it there. So let me clarify it. Okay, guys, so you are resting, rejuvenating, and meditating. Okay, you are thinking about some sort of movement like traveling. Okay, or else you are also thinking about to be victorious in whatever you do, moving forward towards something or someone. Okay, some sort of movement you are waiting for. I feel during this lockdown you are feeling really restricted for the same, and you want some sort of movement. Okay, yeah, you want, your desire is to rebuild something, rebuild your finances, your money, your income. You're focusing on your money and thinking about the same. You're thinking, meditating about the same, like how you want to move forward, what are the things you are supposed to do for moving forward, for rebuilding your finances, for rebuilding your income. Okay, yes, this is your desire. Now let's check about your direction. Direction is all about you are waiting for something, waiting for some sort of an offer, waiting for some sort of an client, you are waiting for some sort of deal to be cracked. Okay, so your some sort of waiting is going on. For that, your direction will be that you have to regain your own power. Okay, you have to be into your own power, because a tarot moment is happening into your direction section. That means demolishing of a bad cycle or a situation and establishing of a new cycle or a situation. Okay, so some sort of tarot moment is happening. You have to release all the burdens, confusions, conflicts or something. You have to release all the burdens if you have any. Okay, some sort of confusion, some sort of conflict in your head, around you, whatever it is, you have to remove it. And once you do it, then there will be a beginning of a lot of new finances, new income, new opportunities, new deals. Okay, new offers will be coming into your life. Even if you are into job, then switching of a job will help you out. Okay, so ending of something is definitely needed over here. You are going through some important transformation for sure. Okay guys, let me check it out, your detail, how you will reach to your desire. Okay, let me check it out. Moving forward, releasing all the conflicted energy, confused energy, if you have any, when it comes to your finances. If you are thinking about how to move forward, what is the purpose of it, where to start from, so you have to release all those things and you have to start moving forward. Because I think once you do it, a lot of, you'll be gaining a lot of clarity. Once you start moving forward, you will start gaining a lot of clarity when it comes to what are the things you are supposed to do into your career or into a relationship. I feel this is a career related thing. Okay, so you are going through a lot of healing, hoping, internal transformation. Some sort of internal transformation or internal healing is definitely taking place. And I think universe is guiding you, because there is a star card. It is all about, it's a divine guidance. Okay, which universe is guiding you. The universe might be sending you messages. Okay, which you are not able to understand. Okay, so you have to understand the divine messages given by the universe. Okay, because once you do it, your intuition level will be very strong. You will be healing, hoping, believing, and you are doing that. Okay, it's just that you have to remove all the doubt, all the question marks from your life. Once you do that, new finances, new money, new opportunity, new beginnings in finances, everything will start coming up for you guys. Everything will start showing up for you. Okay, so yes, you don't have to hold back anymore, because there is a new beginning taking place for you. New beginning, you have to take a leap of faith for the same. Taking a leap of faith means new beginning, taking a risk of something. Okay, and starting something new from scratch. Okay, so which you believe in. Okay, so that will be really helpful for you guys. Yeah, a lot of rebirth is happening for you guys. Some sort of rebirth is definitely taking place for you guys. Yes, and this stuck energy will be removed for sure when it comes to your finances, money related thing. So this is the detail, how to go about it. You have to release all the confusion, conflicts. You have to start healing, and you have to take a risk. Okay, and if you do that, then things will be superb. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much, Virgos. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonated with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Also, one more important thing, guys, if you want to really book our session, one-on-one session, kindly like my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, and kindly share it. Okay, and yes, thank you so much, guys. And one more important thing, Virgos, I just want to tell you guys that if you want to participate in our soul giveaway, you are most welcome. The details will be given for the entries for the participants in the description box below. Okay, so yeah guys, and if you want to book one-on-one session, you can definitely. Okay, so I hope this resonated with you. Okay, yes, yeah, lot of good energies and positive energies are there for you guys. Okay, so bye guys, thank you.